Today we're going to be making a video about installing some LED headlights in my new 2023 Skidoo Backcountry 850 XRS. So we're going to get down into it. So we're just replacing the halogen headlights with some LEDs. Skidoo doesn't necessarily do a good job with their headlights in the 4th generation. In the 5th gen they added some LEDs, but this sled's been around since like 2016 and they just never put LEDs in it. So I'm just going to show you what they look like real quick. Super dim, so we're just gonna go ahead and fix that. Like I said, super dim, we're just gonna go ahead and fix that. It's a very, very easy install. So basically we just have to remove the glove box and this front deflector, and that's it. So the front deflector, I'm gonna see if I can do this with one hand. It just pops out, a little tight, but not bad. And that just comes right off. It's just a couple clips. I'm gonna place this on this cabinet because we're doing home renovations naturally. And then we can pull this out and you can see we have some Torx bits here and here. So we're gonna get after those next. So it is a T25 and we're just gonna go ahead and remove these two. If you have one of these machines or any BRP product, I strongly recommend you get a good set of Torx bits because they just love their Torx. Pull them out, but they feel kind of captured, so yeah, there we go. So that removes the glove box and the dash. As you can see, the dash screen is kind of moving around here, which is fine. Kind of roll it forward a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to put this basically to the side. In here, we have access to our bulbs. So it's just as easy as replacing any other light bulb. It's a quarter turn, and the bulb comes out. So we're going to go do that now. So unplug it. Quarter turn. And the whole bulb comes out. And there's our halogen bulb 1. There's quarter turn. Okay. And that one's out. So I went online and found what everyone recommended, and this is the BPE Lighting B2. They're, from what I can see, really, really good. And we'll see what the performance is like once we get out on the trail, but I'll show you today what it looks like compared to the stock. So it comes nice and protected in this little foam. So I will take the foam off, and boom, there's our light, same on both sides, so you can install it either way. And then, just like the other one, put it in, quarter turn, and it should be good to go. Okay, so I'm a dummy, and these have a gasket on them. Well, the factory ones, when they came out, did not have a gasket on them, which means it was stuck inside, and it was making it very difficult to put the new ones in. I thought I ordered the wrong parts for a second, until I realized I'm stupid, and there was just a gasket there. So, make sure your stock gasket is removed. And then you really just kind of feel it into place. It's not too difficult at all. Being able to see the light helps a bit too. So kind of going over to the front of it and seeing where it keys in helps. There we go. so now we just gotta plug it all in. So we got our wires here, plug them in, and here, plug them in, and that should be it. I'll just tighten it all back up. Let's go ahead, crank her over, and see what it looks like. That's so much better. Now that's what it should have been from the factory. That looks a million times better. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. More content's gonna be coming up. You know, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. Plenty of stuff planned, so it should be coming. It should be good. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that typical YouTube jazz. I'll see you guys in the next video. I really appreciate you watching.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third